enemies, start your Jeep. Beef is when you roll no less than 30 deep. Beef
So, you guys, this was my last beach day. I woke up bright and early and I was like, let's go to the beach. I have to be on the beach every single day. And of course, I had to do a photo shoot before I went. But yes, y'all, these are clips of me trying to get videos so I can get still shots later. And I posted those on my Instagram. But yeah, you guys, I was so excited to go to the beach, you guys. And I felt like this swimsuit was the best one to end it off with. As you guys can see, I love taking photos. That's one of my things that has been in me since I was a child, playing dress up and taking photos. And as you guys can see, I have a melting pot of both. So I was trying to get the best shot for Instagram, and then we're headed out to the beach. At this point, we were starving. The goal was to get food and then go to the beach. We did not know what we wanted to eat, so it was a last minute thing when we walked out. But yes, you guys, literally every day my mind was on the beach. I had my bathing suit on underneath, so once we're done eating, we can walk across. And of course, we had to take pictures and videos, you guys. Absolutely, y'all already know. Sure. We're walking to the beach. This is the last school day here. I said I wasn't gonna vlog. Yeah, it's okay. Yet again, walking. We ain't nowhere from where we started. Nowhere from where we need to go. This, we hear us breathing. Goodness. Oh, cause it look like it's more calm. It don't look. Look at it, look at the wave. It looks way calmer than it was. They had a warning yesterday. So what you say, a real hot rip? You got snacks? You want ketchup? Right here? I want something like cold. Go see, you got. Go down where? On down? Uh-uh. Yeah.
It's a little chilly. I don't think I'm gonna put my feet in it today. Yeah, I don't want to get sick. Look at it. Look at those waves, okay? Look at the waves. Say what you got on my 40, homie. Say what you got on my 40, homie.